Namaskaram. I'm going to be singing Bhavayami Raghuramam, a Ragamalika epitomizing the entire story of the epic Ramayana. This song in Sanskrit was originally composed by Maharaja Swati Tirunal as a kriti in Saveri, set to Rupakatala. After more than 100 years, it was recently made into a Ragamalika with Chittaswarams by the great Shamungudi Srinivasa Iyer. This is the version that is currently sung and has been popularized by M.S. Subbalakshmi. The Pallavi and Anupallavi are set in the Ragam Saveri, which was the original Ragam composed in by Maharaja Swati Tirunal. And there are 6 charanams sung in the Ragams Natakurunji, Danyasi, Mohanam, Mukhari, Purvi Kalyani, and concludes with Madhyamavati. After each of these charanams in various ragas, there are swarams in that raga, and each swaram portion ends with Saveri swarams, and the Saveri Pallavi is repeated again, unlike many ragamalikas in which the Pallavi is sung in the various ragas of that song. Swati Tirunal has packed the material of 24,000 shlokas in Valmiki's Ramayanam in just 6 charanam lines. Each of these 6 charanams describes one kandam. Each kandam contains major events in the Ramayana, and there are 6 total kandams corresponding to Valmiki's version of the Ramayana. The lyrics in each charanam describe the events of each kandam, and the raga is specifically chosen to embody the emotions that the audience and singer should feel when hearing about these events. The first kandam is Bala Kandam in Natakurunji. Bala Kandam consists of the birth of Dasharatha's sons and Rama's childhood and adolescence, such as his wedding to Sita. Natakurunji was the ragam chosen because it is very calm and pleasing, and Rama had a very stable childhood living in the palace. The next kandam is Ayodhya Kandam in Danyasi. Ayodhya Kandam is during preparations for Rama's coronation, as well as when Rama finds out that he must go into exile in the forest for 14 years, and he agrees to do so out of respect for Kaikeyi's wishes. It also includes Bharata asking Rama to come home, and when he refuses, Bharata places Rama's padukam on Rama's throne back in Ayodhya. Danyasi was chosen because of its gentle sweetness, which is the emotion conveyed in this kandam. Aranya Kandam in Mohanam is the next kandam. Aranya Kandam includes the initial experience that Rama, Sita and Lakshmana had in the forest, which was very happy. Mohanam is suitable because it brings out a lot of joyful emotions when sung. Kishkinda Kandam in Mukhari is the next kandam. Kishkinda Kandam shows the misery of Rama and Sita as they are apart from each other after Sita's kidnapping by Ravana. Mukhari is a very grief-filled ragam, which was apt for this kandam filled with many sorrows. Sundara Kandam in Purvi Kalyani is next. Sundara Kandam is filled with Hanuman's adventures in Lanka, lighting the whole kingdom on fire. He brings Rama's ring to Sita and the Chudamani back to Rama from Sita, giving them both hope that they will see each other soon. Purvi Kalyani is described as a raga that can bring out both happy and sad emotions depending on the phrase sung, so this is perfect for this kandam filled with hopefulness yet some worries. Bhavayami concludes with Yuddha Kandam in Madhyamavati. Madhyamavati is the traditional raga for a happy conclusion. Yuddha Kandam consists of Rama's much-awaited return to Ayodhya and ends with his Pattabhishegam or coronation, officially naming him the king of Ayodhya. About Maharaja Swati Tirunal. Swati Tirunal Rama Varma was born on April 16, 1813 and died on December 26, 1846, living for a total of 33 years. He was the Maharaja of the Kingdom of Travancore in British India. He's also considered as a brilliant music composer and is credited with over 400 classical compositions in both Carnatic and Hindustani style. Swati Tirunal was deeply interested in music from his childhood. Besides being a great ruler, he was a patron of music and a musician himself. His mudras include Padmanabha, Padumanabha, Sarasijanabha, and its synonyms. His education in music started with his first lessons from Karamana Subramanya Bhagavatar and Karamana Padmanabha Bhagavatar. Later, he studied from an English scholar, Tanjavur Subbarao, as well. He continued to learn music by listening to eminent musicians and practicing and training by himself. He was an expert at both Carnatic and Hindustani music, though he was essentially known for his contributions to the Carnatic music style. Some of his favorite compositions are Padmanabha Pahi in Hindonam, Devan Ke Pate in Darbari Kannada, Sri Rama Vibho in Arabi. Swati Tirunal was fluent in a number of languages including Malayalam, Sanskrit, Marathi, Telugu, Kannada, Hindustani, Bengali, Tamil, Oriya, and English. This was a period when music and art were thriving in many parts of South India. In fact, the Carnatic music trinity, Tyagaraja, Shyama Shastri, and Muthuswami Dikshitar were all living during this period, composing numerous songs as well. Swati Tirunal's palace was home to many musicians and artists of the period that would come perform and entertain. Now for some other special facts. Prince Rama Varma, well-known Carnatic musician and descendant of Swati Tirunal, organizes the Swati Sangeetotsavam, a 10-day music festival featuring exclusively the compositions of Maharaja Swati Tirunal. This is held every year from January 4th to 13th in Trivandrum and attracts eminent Carnatic and Hindustani musicians from across the globe. Additionally, the award Swati Sangeeta Puraskaram is instituted in the name of Maharaja Swati Tirunal of Travancore to honor those musicians who have made valuable contributions to the field of music. This award is the highest honor for musicians by the government of Kerala in India. भावयामि रघुरामं भव्य सुगुणारामं भावयामि रघुरामं भव्य सुगुणारामं भावयामि रघुरामं भव्य भावुक वितरण परा भावुक वितरण परा भावुक वितरण परा पागली लालसितम् भावुक वितरण परां पागली लालसितं सरि ग सरि मा पद पद रि सनि धनि ध प म ग रि सा ध सरि ग सरि मा पद पद रि सनि धनि ध प म ग रि सा ध सरि मा पद प म पद सा नि ध नि ध प म पद ग रि स ध ग रि नि ध म ग रि स ध भावयामि रघुरामं दिनकरान्वयतिलकं दिनगादिसुतसवना वनरचित सुबाहुमुख वनमहल्या पावनं दिनकरान्वयतिलकं दिनगादिसुतसवना वनर सुबाहुमुख वदमहल्गा पावनम् अनघनिशचापभङ्गम् जनकसुता प्राणेशम् अनघनिशचापभङ्गम् जनकसुता प्राणेशम् खनकुपितभृगुराम गर्भहरमितसाकेतम् खनकुपितभृगुराम गर्भहरमितसाकेतम् मगसनि सारि गम निदम गरि गम पगरि स मगसनि सारि गम निदम गरि गम पगरि स निदनि सरि गम निदनि पदनि स निदनि सरि गम गसनि गरि सदरि सद सद गरि निदम गरि सद भावयामि रघुरामम् विहताभिषेकमत विधिनगतमार्यवाचा विहता अभिषेकमत विधिनगतमार्यवाचा सहित सीता सौमित्रिं शान्ततमशीलम् सहित सीता सौमित्रिं शान्ततमशीलम् गुहनिलय गतं चित्रकूटागत भरतदत्त गुहनिलय गतं चित्रकूटागत भरतदत्त महितरत्नमय पादुकम् महितरत्नमय पादुकं मदनसुन्दराङ्गम् महितरत्नमय पादुकं मदनसुन्दराङ्गम् सगम पगम पनि स रि सरि नि स पद पगरि स नि सगम पगम पनि स रि सरि नि स पद पगरि स नि सगम पगम पनि स पनि स गरि स नि द पनि स गरि स दरि सद सद गरि नि द म गरि सद भावयामि रघुरामम् विततदण्डकारण्यक गतविराददलनम् विततदण्डकारण्यक गतविराददलनम् सुचरितघटगतापमितवैष्णवास्त्रम् सुचरितघटगतापमितवैष्णवास्त्रम् पतगवरजटायुनुतं पञ्चवटी विहितावासं पतगवरजटायुनुतं पञ्चवटी विहितावासम् अतिघोरशूर्पणखावचनागत खरादिहर अतिघोरशूर्पणखावचनागत गरी सरी ग पगरी गरी सद सरी ग पद सद पगरी सरी ग पग गरी सरी गरी री सद गरी गरी ग पद पद स गरी सद रि सद सद गरी नि द म गरी सद भावयामि रघुरामम् कनकमृगरूपधर कलमरीच हरमिह कनकमृगरूपधर कलमरीच हरमिह सुजनविमतदशास्य हृतजनक सुजनविमतदशास्य हृतजनक जालेशनम् अनखपम्पातीर संगताञ्जनेयन भूमनि अनखपम्पातीर संगताञ्जनेयन भूमनि तनुज सख्यकरं वाली तनुदननीशं तनुज सख्यकरं वाली तनुदननीशं पामगरि सरि मा गरि सरि म पम नि द प म गरि सरि म गरि सरि म पम नि द स नि द प प म गरि सरि म प नि द म प द स गरि स द रि स द गरि नि द म गरि स द भावयामि रघुरामम् वानरोत्तम सहित वायुसूनुकरार्पित वानरोत्तम सहित वायुसूनुकरार्पित भानुशतभास्कर भव्यरत्नाङ्गुलीयं भानुशतभास्कर भव्यरत्नाङ्गुलीयं तेन पुनरानीता न्यूनचूडामणि दर्शनं तेन पुनरानीता न्यूनचूडामणि दर्शनं श्रीनिधिं उदति विभीषणमिलितं श्रीनिधिं उदति विभीषणमिलितं गमगरि सद सरि गम प द प सा नि द प म गरि गमगरि सद सरि गम प द प सा नि द प म गरि गम प म प ग म रि ग सरि ग म प द प स गरि सद रि सद गरि नि द म गरि सद भावयामि रघुरामम् कलितवरसेतुबन्धं कलनिसीमविषिताशन कलितवरसेतुबन्धं कलनिसीमविषिताशन दलनमुरुदशकण्ठविदारम् अतिधीरम् दलनमुरुदशकण्ठविदारम् अदिवीरम् ज्वलनपूत जनकसुता सहितयादसाकेतम् ज्वलनपूत जनकसुता सहितयादसाकेतम् विलसितपट्टाभिषेकम् विलसितपट्टाभिषेकं विश्वपालं पद्मनाभं विलसितपट्टाभिषेकं विश्वपालं पद्मनाभं रीमरिमप नीपमपनिसा रिसनि पपमम रिसरि मरिमप नीपमपनिसा रिसनि पपमम रिस रिपमरिसनि सरिमप तपसानि दपदपमगरिसानि दसरि मगरिसरि गदपगरिसरि गपदसरि सदपदपगरि समगमनि दनि पदनि सगरि सदरि सदा सदा गरि दमगरि सदा आह्वयामि रघुरामं बहु